Hey everybody, so today I will be reviewing the Bareminerals Invisible Glow Powder Highlighter. I'm not sure if this is a new product or not. It was new to my Sephora. I've never seen it before. I do tend to go around the Bareminerals area quite a bit when I do go to Sephora, just because I am in love with their concealer, which I always talk about their the concealer they have. It's so freaking good. So if you guys want to watch this review, it's a very short review, then just keep watching. Alright, so Bareminerals Invisible Glow Powder Highlighter is what it is called, and it says inspired by golden hour light. This silky ultra fine baked highlighter illuminates your skin tone for a lit from within glow. I have tried this before, but I left it in the box and everything for you guys. So there's a little card in here, and it shows where to put it. So it's in highlighted areas, but to me, like, when I think of highlight, I think of like I never really put it in the center. I only put concealer really, like down my nose, cheekbones, and above my eyebrow, under my eyebrow, and like my tear duct area. I don't think of it like this. Like, if you see that, that's a huge area. But I'm gonna do it how I usually do it. First, I need some coffee. So for some reason, the BB cream I used today is looking like, I don't know if it's just me. I guess editing Ashley will see how I look. I feel like I look like muddy or something. Like my makeup just looks super muddy. Okay, so anyways, this is what it looks like. Right here, you are getting 7 grams or 0.24 ounces. It says this is in the color Fair to Light. I'm just gonna do a swatch for you guys. It is pretty light. Now, initially, when I got this, I'm a little slow, and because of the fact that they made this little picture with the cheekbones so large, I thought it was under her eyes like a V. So that's what I did, and I went outside like that, and I probably looked like a crazy person like that. But I'm gonna just do it how I usually do it. I'm gonna do it like how they put on the card. But let me grab my brush. For my cheekbones, I'm just gonna do it on my cheekbones. I'm not gonna do it like how it looks like they do it like a blush or something. I'm not doing that. Okay, so I will post down below how much this is and where you can get it. I got it from Sephora. I'll post the exact link, how much it was, and all that. So I'm using a Morphe M310 brush. And I haven't tried it like this, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty pigmented. I am wearing a tan, so I'm a lot darker than like the Fair to Light. I'm usually like a lot lighter than this, so it might do better on my light skin. With Bareminerals, it's like they have shades for your specific skin tone. So they had one for I believe, I'm not sure. I mean, I will know all the tones and all the shades they have once I check out the site again, but I believe they have 4. I believe so. It was Fair to Light is one. I believe the other one was light to medium. Then it was medium to dark. And then they had a really, really dark one for deeper skin tones. I believe it was just called deep or dark. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, all the information will be linked down below. Okay, so now we're going to put it, okay, so it says right here. Oh, I never put highlight right there. I don't even know if you can see. I love this compact though. Like, it's a really good size. It has a really big mirror. Okay. And then it shows right under the brow. So, honestly, I believe this was 30 something, maybe even in the 40s. I don't really see anything special about this product for the amount. I feel like the compact is worth more, or is what makes it so expensive. I mean, it's pretty, but I have a lot of pretty drugstore highlighters too, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick how stupid this was. But actually, you know what? I didn't think it looked bad, but maybe on camera it will. So I used a beauty blender because I literally thought it said it was a powder because of that freaking little card they have right here and how big they made the white. I literally thought it was under your eyes, so I'm gonna show you what it did. I didn't have my tanner on though, but I felt like it brightened up my eye. Oh my gosh. With tanner, it looks so obvious, but this isn't all I did. So I did this under my eyes, and then I took my face brush, which already has powder left over, and then I brushed it to make it blend in. I'm probably not going to do this though because I feel like, well, actually I don't know. It's not a lot of shimmer. It actually just makes my under eyes look brighter. What do you guys think?